How to start a digital marketing agency. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how you're going to start a digital marketing agency. Now I'm not going to take a lot of your time by telling you very relevant things. I'm going to get straight to the point with the details. So there's a few things that you're going to need to, decide before starting a digital marketing agency. Now to start things off, first of all, everything needs to start off with a niche. Okay, you're going to start what type of digital media will you be marketing? Okay, there's a lot of niches. You can also search up digital marketing niches, and they're going to give you so many niches. So there's social media, contents, there's e-commerce, web development, email marketing, mobile marketing, influencer marketing, anything you want, it's available over here. So first of all, you're going to choose your niche. You know what niche is best for you. So the best type of three niches right now are obviously social media, e-commerce, and email marketing. So in this video's case, let's say I'm going to go with email marketing. Okay, what is email marketing? Act of sending a commercial message typically to a group of people using emails in it, right? Now, what kind of softwares do you use for this? So digital marketing can be done without software. So once you've chosen a niche, you're going to take the niche for that software. So let's say in my case, if it's email marketing, the best email marketing software out there is MailChimp, in my opinion. So obviously, we can come over to MailChimp right here, and you can start working with your MailChimp. Okay, because your email marketing can be done without a software, and your digital marketing can be done without a niche. Now, once you've decided these two things, from there, the third step is how you're going to get clients for digital marketing agencies. So you're going to do a lot of cold mails and a lot of cold work at first to actually get clients. Obviously, you're going to start off with less people. You're going to go to higher people. And obviously, you're going to want a lot of investment in this because a digital marketing agency just doesn't start like that. So you're going to need hosting, you're going to need domains. Once you get that, you're going to need a lot of people. You're going to need people to work with because an agency is an enterprise, and to work with an enterprise, you need a lot of people. How to get clients for digital marketing agency. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. This video I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and get clients for yourself for digital marketing agencies. Now, to talk about this in more detail, basically, let's say I'm going to choose a niche of digital marketing right now. Let's say I'm going to go with email marketing. So once you're over here, basically, you're going to choose a platform for each type of marketing. So let's say if there's social media marketing, you could choose TikTok or Facebook. If it's email marketing, you could choose things like MailChimp. If there's the e-commerce marketing, you could choose something like Shopify. And once you go on these platforms, over here, when you sign up with these platforms, you can even go to the services that they provide you, and you can see that they give you email marketing to actually gain leads. Their email marketing platforms are specifically, or their separate marketing platforms for their CRM, and their SEO is specifically made for you to get clients and leads. Okay, leads is what we call them. So basically, you're going to go through the steps they tell you. You're going to go ahead and create the lead generation campaigns. And you can see you can generate emails, and then you can start sending them out to the random amounts of people through cold emails. And that is how you're going to get clients for digital marketing agencies. How to run ads on Facebook. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to be able to run ads on your Facebook. So to do this, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come over to your professional account, and here you're going to go to Ads Manager, okay? So in your Ads Manager, what this will do is it's going to be taking you to the actual ads section where you can create ads, create campaigns, and start publishing or publicizing those campaigns. So once we're over here, simply go to Create. Once you click on Create from here, you're going to go ahead and choose a campaign objective. Would it be awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion? I'm going to go with traffic. Click on Continue. Once you do that, click on Continue again. And then it's going to, start asking you a few questions about your ad. And once you answer all of them, just make sure to go ahead and click on Next. It's going to verify your data, verify your edits. Click on Next. Keep clicking on Next. And yeah, from there on out, you are going to be able to run ads on Facebook for your traffic. And that's pretty much about it for this video.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create invitations using Canva on your phone. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's go on Canva, log into your account, scroll down to the section invitations. You want to click CO. So first thing that you want to focus over here guys is that you want to click on the filter section. So over here we're going to reduce them by style, and we want to create something that is very nice. In our case we're going to use something that is, I would say, floral, because it will be invitation for a wedding, right? And we are also going to filter by price by selecting the free versions. Okay, click apply. So now we have florals invitations for weddings that are free with free templates. Let's click on the first one. So every element that you see on these pre-made templates guys is actually customizable. As you can see, whatever we click, everything could be adjusted. So for example, if we don't like the position of the flower, we can simply drag the flower on the side. We can actually rotate the flower by simply taking the sides, right, making it smaller, making it larger, pushing it on the other part of the actual invitation, or essentially we can delete it if we don't like it. For the text, I think the text it's okay, but let me show you how you can actually change the font. For example, we're clicking over here on the first line, and essentially we can change the font by opening the lower menu over here. Let's click on the font and let's try to look through the fonts. Remember, this is invitation and this has to be very well structured. So the font of the opening lines could be the same or could be different as the font with the names of the people that are getting married, right? So if we look for some more playful font like this one, I'm not sure that you are going to like it. If we zoom in, right, you will be able to actually see from close up which looks better. I think it has to vibe with the previous fonts, right? You want to make sure that you're selecting something that is readable. Point number one, right? And it's kind of stylish, because remember, this is a very special event. Most people will keep these invitations. You're going to keep these invitations, and you know, further down the years you will look at these invitations, right? So let's click something like this. After we choosing the font, we can actually change the color of the font over here by simply scrolling in the lower section. We can select the black font, or you can select something that is a little more subtle, not so colorful, but I would say subtle. Maybe something like this looks good, like a dark gray. If we zoom out, now we can make this text a little larger, because I feel that if this is larger, we'll make things look better. Because if we zoom out, you will see that there is a major difference between the opening line and the names of the couple. Okay, so in this example over here guys, we are going to click and we're going to change the style of the actual names. As you can see, we have a Benjamin and Margarita, right? So as you can see, there isn't so many options. There is options to see how the text will appear, but essentially the template builder didn't let us with a lot of choices in this particular stage. If we go back and click on font again, right, you could see that you can create something that is much more like a handwriting style, or like something like this, which is much more formal. Remember, not everyone wants to be fancy, not everyone wants to be like creative, right? Aspiring artists. So a lot of people just might go for something much more like this, much more subtle, or something that is more like this. So pay attention guys, you always want to adjust the fonts, the colors, because The chances are a lot of other people might be using these templates for their weddings as well, right? So you want to make sure that you are customizing yours. So this will simply change the way they look. Not everyone will be looking at it and they said, oh, I've seen this, somebody else use this. So this is why I'm trying to tell you guys, probably want to adjust the border. As you can see, you can make this like that. You can make it larger, right? You can essentially cut the corners and make it more sweet. You see, this looks much nicer than the original style. Going through the raw section as well, you can change the filter, and now we are going to be able to make the plants and the background much nicer. You can make it warmer, so this will give you, like, especially if the wedding is in the autumn, right? This will be so cool. Wow, if you come on the top flower, you see how we can adjust the contrast and make it to pop a little more. Same thing with the lower one, right? We're gonna make it to pop a little more, and now things look much more professional, guys. I'm not gonna lie, considering that this is something very stylish. It looks definitely different than what we saw during the original pose, right? And again, this is very nice. If you want to change the boldness, you can do so from here, or you can include the italics, right? You can make it like this, and you can center this, or you can arrange it on the side. This looks nice together with their family, right? You see how we actually saturate this on the right side. We can do this on the left side as well. Still looks pretty, still looks beautiful. As you can see, guys, it is not complicated. You just have to spend some time, and you have to play around and probably advise with your partner how you guys want to actually create it and what will be the final result, because there are millions of combinations of color, of fonts, and of course with the backgrounds. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create for free business cards on Canva app. Very easy, guys, very simple. First thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and log into your account, and then I want you to come over here on your home page, right? And then you want to scroll all the way to the business card landscape function. Okay, you want to click on it, and then first thing we want to do, we want to filter the actual media. Okay, we want to make sure that we have everything that we previously prepared for it, so we can upload all the elements, all the fonts, everything that we are going to use if we have something on the site. The second filter I'm going to apply will be over here, and will be the style. Depending on your business or niche, let's try something different. Previous examples, we always go for corporate, for formal, for professional. This time, let's go to something modern, and let's click apply. The last filter I'm going to apply will be the pricing filter, which will give us the free templates. We don't want to lose our time with looking at the paid versions. Okay, let's pick something very similar. Let's click on this one. Reminds me Harvey Specter from Suits. Okay, guys, first thing first, each element that you see could be customized. Okay, you click on 1, 2, 3, 4 different elements currently. Each one of these elements could simply be edited. So for example, if you don't like particular part, remember we have the front and we have the back. This means that every single piece of this could be changed dramatically. Let's start from the actual logo. So for example, if you don't vibe with the logo, you can actually delete it if you click on the bin icon on top. But you can essentially change the colors first of all. I think depending of the niche, depending of the brand, yellow usually goes along with red. But as you can see over here, there are specifications because there are two different colors. If we want to apply, if you want to apply to all of it, everything that is currently white, as you saw, everything that is white will change when we change this one. So you click the new color, And when you click the new color, you can click this button, change all. So essentially you're gonna change everything at once. Probably wonder, is this gonna change everything on the back of the business card as well? Yes, it did change everything at the back of the business card. But remember, they didn't change the actual text. Text has a different button I'm gonna show you right now. If you wanna change the color of the text, you wanna click on the text itself. Then you wanna go down over here, and then you wanna click on the text color. So this is where you can essentially change the color of the text. For the sake of this example, we can pick like a yellow, right? And then we can use the same function. You can click change all, and now every single text will be changed. And if you go on the second page, you will see that every single text on the second page has been changed. This is how simple it is, guys. For example, if you want to change this green part over here, you don't vibe with it, right? Let's change it. Let's make it much more, clear. Maybe you want to check with something gray. Maybe lighter gray looks good. White looks good. If you like this one, you can apply it by, again, clicking change all. So if we close this and go back to the first page, you're going to see that things are looking much, much nicer, right? You can do the same thing with this color over here, right? For example, you don't like it, right? You can come over, you can click the white, right? And or you can simply scroll down, because it is a combination of two colors. It is not just one color. It's kind of a saturated version of it between two colors, between black and white. So if you choose something like this, I think this looks good, right? So if you click change all, now we're having a very, very different design. So I hope you guys find this helpful. You can spend a lot of time here, playing with different fonts. When you're done, all you gotta do is to click on the upper right corner over here and then download the business card. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.